This is step 4 of Singing in the Rain. We've just finished and ended up back doing some turning, but back facing the front with our umbrella open on our right shoulder. Now we're going to do just a little turn with flat ball changes. 3 flat ball changes in a step. Flat ball change, flat ball change, flat ball change, step. Now we're facing upstage. We do 2 maxi forwards on the right. Step, shuffle, leap tap, step, shuffle, leap tap, and touch. Do not put your weight on this because you're going to be using it again. And doing the same thing over again to get around to the front. Flat ball change, flat ball change, flat ball change, step, maxi forward. Okay, so starting from the back view, these turns are a little hard to do both ways, but here we go. Flat ball change, flat ball change, flat ball change, step, maxi forward, shuffle, leap tap, touch, flat ball change, flat ball change, flat ball change, step, maxi forward. Okay, and that's really all there is. We keep our umbrella here and just try to look nice. The upper body should be, rather upright as we do this. We're just going around in a circle halfway and then halfway again.